how to add or how to get out the hard drive from a Lenovo ThinkPad T420 laptop. This is the model T420. Okay, let's close the laptop, turn it upside down, and here on the right side you can see that there's a screw, and this will be opened up and a hard drive will be placed inside this laptop. It's a serial 80 hard drive. Take that screw out. Get the hard drive and position the larger connector, that's the power connector. Position it to the lower side, so it's not this way with the label up, but with the label down. Introduce it there. To take it out, get a screwdriver and drag from this plastic element and simply pull it out. I'll put this back. And that's it. The hard drive has been inserted.